According to international media reports, on May 7, 2025, an air battle broke out between India and Pakistan in the world's first over-the-horizon air battle involving more than 120 aircraft. 6 of India's main fighter jets were shot down. After confirmation from all parties, the Indian fighter jets that were shot down include 3 French Rafale, 1 Su-30, and 1 MiG-29, and it was the Chinese-made J-10CE fighter jet that shot down the Indian fighter jets, relying on HQ-9B missile defense, ZDK-3 early warning aircraft, and PL-15 air-to-air missiles. The J-10CE fighter jet shot down the Rafale fighter jet without any perception. This air battle shattered India's dream of becoming a military power and ended the 20-year unbeaten myth of the French Rafale fighter jet.